Greetings. Welcome to Temple Needs Co. I'm Crystal the Oracle, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple spiritual bath at home. Now, I've already measured out all of our ingredients just to save time on camera. So let's get to it. In this bowl, we have a half a cup of Dead Sea salt. Now, we're using this Dead Sea salt because it's going to help us to detoxify the body of negative energy and to stabilize the positive energy within us. Ooh, let me see, can I get this? Okay, well, that was pretty pointless because all you can see is my hand. All right, let's use this hand. All right. I was just trying to show you how fine the texture is. I don't like to put coarse salts into my baths because, well, it's rough. You might end up cutting yourself if the little granules don't dissolve all the way. All right. And in this bowl we have a half a cup of baking soda. Now we're using baking soda to help to remove the energetic blockages and to draw in money. Lots and lots of money into our lives. All right. Now let's see if I can get this to move around, give you some movement. All right. Shit. Okay, well, I thought that would go better, but what else? All right. Now, in these two bowls, we have the same exact ingredient. This is powdered milk. It's non-fat cow's milk, to be very specific. Some people use coconut powdered milk and, all other rice powdered milk, all kind of stuff in their spiritual baths. I prefer the cow's milk just because I know for a fact that this cow's milk is going to help us draw in an abundance of positive luck, great health, and money. All right. Now, this last ingredient, this is citric acid. All right. And this is 1 tablespoonful of citric acid. Now, this one's completely optional. You don't have to add it into your baths, but I like to add it to my spiritual bath because it gives me a champagne-like kind of fizz, and it just makes the bath feel more luxurious. That's it. Now that I've explained everything to you and why it's like that. Oh, and the reason I'm using 2 bowls for the powdered cow's milk is because my recipe calls for 4 cups, and these bowls can only hold 2 cups each. That's it. There's no other reason it's 2 bowls. It's just because it wouldn't fit into one. All right. Now, you just need a simple mixing bowl, a spoon, and that's it. Now, let's put it all together. We're going to do see more milk powder than anything else. And that's really how you want this to be. Alright. And the whole point of me showing you how to make a spiritual bath is so that you'll be able to cleanse yourself of negative energy within the comforts of your own home with simple, clean ingredients. And you know exactly what's in it and why. And it's just very beneficial to your spiritual practice. Alright. Now, I'm going to give you a demonstration of what it looks like after, you know, after you put it into your bath, what it should look like. Alright, we did one scoop of that. And then let's pour in our warm water. And let's see what it does. Now you see this foam and this fizz on top? That's what the citric acid gives you. Without the citric acid, you wouldn't have that foam. Oh, goodness. All right. Let me show you this way. But yes, all that good foam on top is from the citric acid. If I hold it up, you see how milky that looks. That's what you want. All right. That's the look you're going for. Oh, God. Let me put this in the frame. Thank you very much. Ooh. All right. Well, yes, that's what you're looking for. Frothiness on top and milkiness within. See how I put the spoon in there and it disappears? That's what you're looking for. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try this bath at home. Oh, and one more thing. You can also add in any sort of scent, you know, from fragrance oil or essential oil if you like. The recipe that I'm giving you is just to be used as a base. So if you wanted to add flowers and herbs into it to enhance the properties of purification and protection and money and love and all of that, you can most certainly do that. I was just here to give you a base formula for it. Enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you found that the information, you know, was good and you're gonna use it, let me know. Give it a try. And subscribe to the channel to see more. All right. Peace and blessings, and take care, everyone.